Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 2nd, and I'm going to be analyzing US oil WTI starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So on oil, it does look to me like this is a nice uptrend, and this move down also looks to me like a trend. You can see that all these candles that near the bottom are just big spike candles, which tells me that the sellers are pretty exhausted and that this is probably going to head up next to make an A, B, C, or B, and I think it probably will go down one more time to make a wave C, which I think this is going to be a crescent to this whole move up on the monthly time frame. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly is where you can actually a little more clearly see the downtrend. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. This move up right here definitely did break structure to the upside. I think what's going to happen here is this is going to grow into a trend, probably a wave A. Then eventually it's going to go down and make a wave B and most likely back up, probably all the way to about the 61% level to make a wave C of wave B. Once that's all complete, I do think that we will get one more push down for that wave C, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we got a nice and positive uptrend, almost a perfect looking trend right here. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of A, most likely, or possibly a 1 of A. Then we have this move down right here, which is very soft to the downside, but it did go down to the 50% level and making a positive move up. So we're definitely going to have to keep an eye on this because it could just keep on going up. Even though I have this marked as an ABC, I think it more likely will turn into a 1, 2, probably 3, 4, and 5 of wave A, just like what I sold on the weekly time frame. Probably a wave A of wave B. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where you can actually start to see what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is probably an A, B, C, or B. This is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. And I do see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a wave C. Impulsive move up, break of structure should tell me that that trend, which I suspect to be a wave C, is complete. If that is complete, that means the whole A, B, C, or B may already be over, and that this move down right here is probably a crescent to this move up, and it's probably going to make a higher low and just end up continuing the uptrend. Maybe an ABC, but more likely a 1, 2, and wave 3 of wave A. So taking it down one more step to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci on here. Very impulsive move up, and now you can see the break of structure, which should prove that this trend right here is over. This move up should be a wave 1. This should be an A right here. We do see a very clear 3 waves up right there, probably a B. I bet we're already in a wave C, so if it bounces off one of these 2 Fibonacci levels with a big engulfing impulsive move up, I would call that a wave C, maybe even an ABC of 2, and that would be a really good entry to go long, I believe, based on the longer time frames, for where we'll most likely end up going into a wave 3 of wave 3, which I believe this wave 3 is probably going to be a wave A of wave B on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.